In this video, we're diving deep into VOC AI, powerful AI tool built for Amazon sellers and product teams who want to truly understand their customers. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsker, and if you've ever felt overwhelmed by mountains of product reviews or struggled to figure out what your audience really thinks, VOC AI might be exactly what you need. From analyzing Amazon reviews at scale to revealing buyer motivations, product weaknesses, and even suggesting marketing angles, this platform brings it all together. So let's break it down, how it works, what it does well, and who it's really for. What is VOC AI? VOC AI, developed by Schulix, is a voice of customer analysis platform that helps you extract insights from Amazon reviews and e-commerce feedback. It combines AI, machine learning, and natural language processing to automatically tag and analyze user reviews, so you don't have to manually read through thousands of comments. It's used by Amazon sellers, product managers, e-commerce teams, and even large-scale brands like Anchor to improve product design, adjust marketing messages, and stay ahead of competitors. Whether you're launching a new product or refining an existing one, VOC AI helps you understand what people love, what they hate, and what they wish was different. Number 1, VOC AI's core strength: review analysis at scale. One of the biggest selling points of VOC AI is how well it handles product review analysis. Normally, sorting through Amazon reviews is a nightmare. Too many words, not enough clarity. VOC AI fixes that. Let's say you're selling a portable blender. Instead of manually reading 800 reviews, VOC AI can process them all and summarize common praise, like easy to clean, powerful motor, portable for travel. Common complaints: battery dies quickly, lid leaks, and suggestions: wish it came in more colors, needs a carrying case. But it doesn't stop there. It breaks feedback into structured data that you can act on, like usage context, buyer motivation, product weaknesses, and customer profiles. This helps you refine your product or create new variations that hit exactly what people want. 2, AI-powered sentiment and keyword insights. VOC AI's sentiment analysis is impressively detailed. It doesn't just tell you whether a review is positive or negative. It highlights which parts of the review matter most. For example, it might flag a sentence like, "I love the design, but the battery life is garbage," and assign a different sentiment scores to each clause. That means you can pinpoint what's working versus what's frustrating your customers. It also uncovers the keywords that show up consistently in positive or negative reviews. This is huge for SEO and listing optimization. You can adjust your Amazon bullet points or ad copy to use the exact words that customers already associate with your product, boosting relevance and conversions. Competitive analysis made simple. Do you ever wonder how your product stacks up against the competitors? VOC AI can help. With its market insights dashboard, you can compare your customer sentiment to that of a rival brand. It might show you that while both products are rated 4.5 stars, your competitor has more complaints about durability and you have more praise for profitability. This gives you a real strategic edge. You can highlight your strong points more clearly or double down on the things that people already love. It also helps you identify blind spots. Maybe your competitor includes a travel case, and everyone mentions how useful it is. Now you know what to add next. 4, product research and launch prep. Now, if you're still in the idea stage, VOC AI can help with product research too. Pulls in data from thousands of Amazon listings and aggregates insights across entire categories. You can use it to identify gaps in the market, discover buyer pain points, see which features people care about, avoid building a Me Too product with the same issues that everyone else has. So let's say you want to sell a water bottle. VOC AI might show you that most bottles leak, don't fit in car cup holders, or are too heavy. That's gold. You can build a new product that avoids those issues and launch with a competitive edge. 5, Solvea-AI agent. Smart customer support. Now, beyond product feedback, VOC AI also has a customer support automation feature called Solvea. This AI agent is trained on your own company data and can handle live chat, FAQs, and email responses with surprisingly accurate answers. Unlike generic chatbots that give copy-paste responses, Solvea is smart enough to understand context and even escalate to a human when needed. For e-commerce teams handling tons of customer inquiries, this means huge time savings. You can customize Solvea with your own product documentation, shipping policies, or support scripts, and it'll generate helpful responses based on that. It's a strong feature if you want to cut support costs or improve response times. 6, VOC Chrome extension and ease of use. VOC AI also has a free Chrome extension that integrates with Amazon and Shopify. You can use it to quickly analyze reviews while browsing listings, which is a huge convenience if you're constantly researching products. The platform itself is easy to navigate. You don't need a data science degree to get insights. The dashboard is clean and visual, and reports are exportable so you can share them with your team or clients. 7. Pricing. Accessible for solo sellers and enterprises. VOC AI offers flexible pricing tailored to different users. The Pro plan is available for $99 per month, and it's designed for individual users. It includes one account, 600 reports per month for Amazon reviews analysis and market insights, a 500-point quota per month for review monitoring, AI assist with 3,600 uses per month, a browser extension, and over 10 AI seller tools. For growing brands and teams, the team plan is a popular choice at $299 per month. This plan provides one admin account and 5 sub-accounts, 3,000 reports per month for both Amazon reviews analysis and market insights, a 2,500-point quota per month for review monitoring, and 20 reports per month for social listing with daily social media monitoring. Additionally, it offers AI image creation, which is in beta, AI assist with 30,000 uses per month, a browser extension, and more than 10 AI seller tools. For large-scale businesses, they can opt for the enterprise plan, and to discuss pricing and custom solutions, just contact the sales team. So no matter your size, there's a plan that fits. And most importantly, the ROI is clear. Better decisions, faster launches, and fewer mistakes based on guesswork. 8. Customer review and reputation. VOC AI scores a perfect 5.0 from over a dozen verified users. Most praise its powerful review analysis, ease of setup, and ability to simplify customer research. E-commerce sellers especially mention how it's helped them reduce cart abandonment, improve product listings, and handle pre-sale and post-sale support more effectively. Some users even called it a must-have for anyone selling on Amazon. There are a few complaints about the login process or pricing transparency, so beware the onboarding might take a bit of effort. But overall, the tool seems to deliver on its core promise. So, is VOC AI worth it? If you're an Amazon seller, product manager, or digital marketer who wants to stop guessing and start knowing what customers want, VOC AI is 100% worth checking out. Turns chaotic review data into organized, actionable insights that you can use to make better products, smarter marketing decisions, and faster customer support responses. And it's simple enough that you can start using it without weeks of training. For solo entrepreneurs, the $99 per month plan is a solid entry point. For brands and agencies, the enterprise features make it a true powerhouse. So if your team is tired of reading endless Amazon reviews and guessing what to do next, let VOC AI do the heavy lifting. You might be surprised by what your customers are already telling you if you just have the right tool to listen. If you want to get started with VOC AI or any other platforms we recommend, you'll find links down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And using those links is a great way to support the channel, and it allows us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.